This is an example digital multimeter. We have a digital LCD display, special function buttons, a multi-mode select dial, and input jacks for the multimeter test leads. The multi-mode dial has several options depending on usage: AC voltage measurements, DC voltage measurements, millivolt measurements, ohms or resistance, continuity check with audible beep, diode test, AC amperage, and finally DC amperage measurements. The special function buttons have different usages depending on manufacturer. It is important to understand the functionality of the input jacks on the front of the meter. First and foremost, understand the meter will protect you with 600 volt measurements or less. The common or ground terminal is fused internally to two amperage measurement jacks, a 10 amp jack and secondly a 300 milliamp jack. If these limits are exceeded, the internal fuse will blow and can be replaced. Secondly, the common terminal connects through a volts, ohms, and diode measurement jack. This is used most commonly on the meter.